Welcome to the Book Cash 60s podcast, where we don't just talk money, we explore how it empowers you to live a truly fulfilling life. Today we're diving into Live a Life Worth Living. Ever wonder, what's the point of all this hard work, paying bills, shopping, rinse and repeat? Through the lens of timeless investing classics, we'll see that money isn't the goal, it's the tool for freedom, passion, and purpose. Books like The Richest Man in Babylon, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Intelligent Investor, The Psychology of Money, and I Will Teach You to Be Rich will be our guides. Join me and yourself in turning these lessons into real motivation. Let's get started. Imagine waking up each morning without the weight of bills or the dread of deadlines just to survive. That's financial freedom. And it starts with the basics from The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This gem, told through ancient Babylonian parables, reminds us, pay yourself first. Save at least 10% of your income before spending a dime. Arcad, the richest man in the city, wasn't a genius. He just consistently saved and invested in what grew. What about you? If your monthly take-home is $5,000, stash $500 right away. It's not sacrifice, it's planting seeds for tomorrow. Clason teaches that money should work for you, not the other way around. Apply it today. Set up an auto transfer to savings. You'll be amazed as it snowballs. This is step one to a life worth living. Not just wealth, but true freedom. Now, let's talk mindset, the real driver of whether you turn money into assets. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki changed millions of lives, including mine. Kiyosaki contrasts two dads. His poor dad, educated but always broke and anxious. His rich dad, who taught that assets put money in your pocket while liabilities take it out. Think about that house you're mortgaging. It's a liability if it drains your income, but an asset if you rent it out for profit. Kiyosaki urges, invest in real estate, stocks, or business. Don't fear risk, because the biggest risk is inaction. He started with nothing, but built an empire through a get-rich mindset. Folks, if you're 25 or 35, this is your moment to pivot. Don't let the poor dad voice win. Read this book and you'll realize wealth isn't luck, it's a choice. Start simple. Learn to buy stocks via an app. Remember, failure is a lesson, not the end. This shift opens doors to a worthy life. Travel, learn, give back without worry. Investing isn't gambling, it's science. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, hailed by Warren Buffett as the Bible, teaches buying stocks like buying businesses. Focus on solid companies with a margin of safety. Graham said the stock market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. Skip the TikTok hot stocks. Build a diversified portfolio with index funds. The payoff? Average 7 to 10% annual returns, beating inflation and building long-term wealth. Buffett started with $100 and became a billionaire, proof anyone can. Pair it with The Psychology of Money, which shows success isn't about IQ, it's behavior. Wholesale shares saving 1% of your salary beats overspending even if you earn double. Don't chase get-rich-quick, stay consistent. These lessons fuel not just your bank account, but your dreams, like early retirement to write that book or globetrot. Finally, make it effortless. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi delivers a 20-minute-a-month system. Automate savings, smart debt payoff, and investing without the hassle. Sethi says a rich life means big spending on what you love, travel, great meals, while guilt-free cutting the junk. Tie it all together. Save 10% like Clason, asset mindset like Kiyosaki, safe investing like Graham, sustainable habits like Husserl, and automation like Sethi. You'll not just get rich, you'll live richly. Time for family, passions, and impact. There you have it, friends. Live a life worth living isn't a slogan, it's a journey starting today. Read one book, apply one principle, and watch your life transform. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more motivation and share. Which finance book changed you? Drop a voice note or comment. See you next time. here's to a week of wealth and meaning.